Good morning from Greenwich, North Greenwich. Just want to say first of all a very happy birthday to Lauren. Love you very much and thank you for having me out last night. Hope you had a good time after I left. And another happy birthday to Lucas, who I'm with today, who is 25, quarter of a century, nearly dead like me. We're going to go out today because he wants to go and basically do a bit of Pokemon Go. So that's what we're going to do. Have a little look around the O2 while we're there. So Lucas lives in a very nice place. This is his terrace. Not that it's very well kept. This is his living room. Goes down like 3 floors. Happy birthday, mate! Yeah. How does it feel to be 25? Yeah. It's a quarter of a century, you know. Huh? Quarter of a century.
I know, it's halfway to 50 and it's completely fucking shit.
Look at his slippers.
I've got this to try.
Got what? Got your camera out?
Yeah.
Nice. Right. Are we going now?
Yeah, in a minute. Let me adjust the video on this stuff.
Alright, let's go. Just taking in some scenery. Say that again?
If I miss out on my EV because of your vlog, this is not gonna end well for you.
If you miss out on your EV?
That's fucking
oh my god. How many minutes?
Like 3.
3 minutes?
Yeah.
Gay. Sorry to interrupt, but if you want to know how he knows where they're going to be and how long they're going to be there for, it's this. It's a website called PokeVision, and basically you pop down a marker and then it'll scan what's nearby, and it gives you like a time. So like you can see that Rattata's going to be there for 2 minutes 50 seconds. You get the idea. You can find out there. I do find this hilarious how there's 2 grown men walking around Canary Wharf catching Pokemon on their phones. I'm enjoying it. Well, we've got an egg hatching. Oh, hello.
Matchup.
Yeah.
Not bad.
That's alright, isn't it?
How strong? Not bad.
Not bad at all. Nice one. We've just been walking around and both of our phones died, which is first of all bad because we've got no battery. Second of all, when Lucas's phone dies, the internet dies, and that's bad for me because my phone is a piece of shit. So we've had to go into Maplin and rather embarrassingly buy ourselves some power packs. It is. It's quite embarrassing.
It's a sound investment. Reasonable investment for the future.
Show him yours. Look at the size of that, it's as big as his head. Anyway, we're in a very beautiful location to catch some more Pokemon. Grand Prix on over there. Nice little fountain. Very nice, beautiful day. Some stuff going on at UFO Canary Wharf. It's not important today apparently. Only Pokemon. That would not scare me. This looks like a person. Stopped off for a birthday pint, didn't we? Oh, got another one.
Let's see.
That's really
sad.
Awful.
Yeah.
Oh. Great views of London. Well, I'm sad to say, at the end of it all, I've been converted. So I'll be playing a bit more of that. Not all over the vlogs though, probably. I wouldn't do that to you. It could be worse things. As I was going along, I realised that I basically knew pretty much every single one of their names. And that's really, really sad. But, you know what they say about childhood, that shit stays with you, doesn't it? Could be worse things than remembering a few Pokemon's names. Could be mentally scarred for life. Anyway, on that note, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next week. See you later.